Good day, viewers. Today we begin with our JAMB lesson, and in this video we're going to be treating 5 questions. Okay, should you haven't subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to our channel if you're watching via YouTube. And if you're watching via Facebook, please follow our Facebook page, like our videos, and share our videos. Thank you. Number 1, it says a ladder resting on a vertical wall makes an angle whose tangent is 2.4 with the ground. If the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 50 centimeters, what is the length of the ladder? To begin with, we're going to represent this information on a diagram. All right, we have the wall, a vertical line. We have the ground like this. The wall and the ground makes an angle 90 degrees, and then we have the ladder resting this way. Okay, we're told that the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 50 centimeters, and that the ladder makes an angle with the ground. Let's call the angle theta. Let's call the length of the ladder y. We're given that the tangent of this angle is 2.4. That is tan of the angle theta equals 2.4. We use this to obtain the value of theta. So theta will be equals to what? The tan inverse of 2.4. We use our calculator to obtain that. The tan inverse of 2.4 is given by 67.380135505. I'm going to get approximate value is what? 67.380, but we're using the actual value to solve. Okay, so this is the value of the angle. All right, we want to obtain the length of the ladder. Now, what relates this is the right angle triangle. Okay, this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. What relates the hypotenuse and adjacent? It is cos. So the cos of the angle will relate the length of the ladder and the what? The distance of the ladder from the wall. So cos theta equals what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse, that is 50 over y. You make y the subject of the formula. You're going to have y equals 50 over the cos of the angle theta. Next, I have 50 over the cos. The angle is what? 67.380. Remember I told you I'll be using the actual value, right? So this will give what now? 50 over cos of the angle. 50 divided by cos of this angle. I have 130 centimeter. 130 centimeter. Okay, if you look at the options, it's given in meters. So change this to meters. I'm going to have 130 over what? 100. That will give me what? 1.3 meters. Okay, and that's given by option C. Going to question 2, it says the shadow of a pole 5√3 centimeter on high is 5.5 centimeter. Find the angle of elevation of the sun to the nearest whole number. Okay, still we use a diagram to represent this information. We have a pole. I also have what? The shadow. This is the shadow. The angle between them is what? 90 degrees. Okay, angle of elevation is this way. This is the angle of elevation. Let's call it theta. All right, we're given that the shadow of a pole, the pole is 5√3 centimeter, 5√3 centimeter, and the shadow is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now this is a right angle triangle. This is the opposite side of the angle, and this is the adjacent side. So what relates the opposite and adjacent side? It is what? Tan. Okay, so we will take the tan of the angle theta equals what? Opposite over the what? Adjacent. That is 5√3 over 5.5. And what will this give us? 5√3 over 5.5. 5√3 divides 5.5. This will give us 1.5759. I'll take the approximate value. 1.5746. So what's my theta? My theta will be given by the tan inverse of this 1.5746. That will give me what? So I'll take the tan inverse. I'll get 57.58. 57.58 degrees, right? The question says to the nearest whole number, so I'm going to have 58 degrees. That is given by what? option B. Question 3 says, a pentagon has 4 of its sides equal. If the size of the fifth angle is 60 degrees, find the size of each of the 4 angles. Now, the first thing we do, we let each of the 4 angles be what? Y. Okay? We know that sum of angles of a polygon is given by this expression, n minus 2 times 180. Our n stands for the number of sides. So for a pentagon, we're going to be having 5 minus 2 times 180, right? Degrees. That is 3 times 180 degrees. And that'll give us what? 540 degrees, right? Sum of angles, that is for the 4 angles, 4y plus the fifth angle, 60 degrees, you must get what? 540. All right. So what is 4y now? 4y is 540 minus 60 degrees. Okay. So your 4y is what? This minus this is what? This is 0. This is 8. This is 4. 480. So your y is what? 480 divided 4. We're going to have 480 divided by 4. Your y is given to be what? 120 degrees. Each of the 4 angles is what? 120 degrees. And that's given by option what? B. For number 4, we have to arrange the following numbers in ascending order, right? Let's convert these to decimals. We're going to be using a calculator. Okay, for the first fraction, when you change to decimal, 6 divided by 7 is going to give approximately 0.857. 0.857. 13 over 5, 13 over 15, sorry, 0.866, 0.866. Then the last is a decimal number. I have 0.865. So I compare the digits of these decimal numbers to tell which is the least, right? So we have to arrange in ascending order from the least to the largest. Okay, the least here, they are all 0 0. The whole number is 0. So go to next digit, 88. Next I have 566. So this is the least. 0.857 is the least. Here I have 66. Next digit 65. This is smaller than this. This is less than this. I have 0.865, right? And then lastly I have 0.866. Okay, which means this number is less than this number and also less than what this number. So that was given by option what? Okay, in the options we used greater than. So we turn it that way. I'm going to have this greater than this, greater than this. This is given by what? These fractions. I have 13 over 15 greater than 0.65, 0.865, sorry. Then greater than what? 0.857, that is 6 over 7. And this is given by what? Option C. So option C gives the order. Okay, now we'll go to the last question for this class, question 5. Now for the last question, the pie chart shows the distribution of courses offered by students. What percentage of the students offer English? Okay, to get the percentage of the students that offer English, we first of all get the fraction of students that offer English. All right, what is the fraction? This is a circle, right? Total angle is what? The total angle in the circle is 360 degrees. So the fraction of English is going to be what now? 90 degrees over what? 360. This fraction multiplied by what? 100%. Okay. This is what? 1 over what? 4. Okay. So you have what? 100% over 4. And this is given by what? 4 here, 1. 4 into 10, 2. Remember 2 into 25, you have 25%. Right? So therefore, the percentage of students that offer English is what? 25%. And this is given by option what? C. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.